to fix battery draining problem on Xiaomi Redmi. So if you want to fix your battery draining problem on your Xiaomi Redmi, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your phone application, go with your dial pad. Under your dial pad, you need to go with star hash 6485 hash star hash star. Once you do that, it will take you to your charging and battery life. You'll get this kind of interface. Here, you need to go and search for MB06, which is good. In my case, it's good. If it says good, that means you have some issues with your battery health. So to fix these issues, what you can do is first you need to open up your settings. Under your settings, you need to scroll down and go with notifications and control center. Under your notification and control center, go with app notifications, and under this, just go and turn off the notifications of the application that you are not using. For example, I'll just turn off the notifications for the apps that I don't use, and after turning off the notifications, your problem might be fixed. And the next thing you can do is brightness. So you just need simply go back, go with display, and make sure that your brightness level is set to automatic brightness. Once you've set your brightness to automatic brightness, it might fix your problem. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is just go back and go with sound and vibration. Under sound and vibration, you can scroll down and go with additional settings. Under your additional settings, you need to go and turn off all of these options like a dial pad tones, play sound when locking the device, play sound when taking screenshots, play sound when uninstalling apps, when deleting items, when charger is connected, and play audio at startup. You need to turn off all of these options, which will fix your battery draining problem. After that, you need to go back, and here you will have an option of privacy protection. Tap on privacy protection. Under that, tap on location, and if any applications are using the location access, so you just need to simply tap on the location and then turn off all of the location access for the apps that you don't use. So that's it. That's how you can fix your battery draining problem on your Xiaomi Redmi. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.